Morning, Mazette.
Happy Friday.
Siapila.
Jango. All right, Lone Star.
Yeah.
I respect you for one thing as well, hey?
Okay.
You're an employee and an employer.
Right.
Yeah, that.
Mm-hmm.
And I know I'm one of those as well, especially when you've got shows, you've got a helper as well.
Yeah, yeah.
So when there's a clip as well that's going around where umqhashi like kwakhe lo mama oklinayo.
Yeah.
Umqhashi uthi ngicela ukubona ibag yakho. So yeah, because obviously basuspected something as isikhathi sami.
Yeah.
But okay, before sicela ukubona ibag.
Oh, I think I saw that.
Yeah. Like hlala phansi, we want to check, we're not fighting and stuff.
Yeah.
So mama lo bakhipha izinto ebhegini kuphuma imithi.
Okay.
Kuphuma imithi like ama-plastic la amancane agoqiwe uyabona yonke riding hayi imithi yasesibhedlela imithi leyesintu le.
Yeah.
But the engithusile kuphuma i-underwear kamama wasekhaya. Yeah. So bambuza ukuthi manje i-underwear ifunani ebhegini yakho.
Yeah.
So uyaphika umama oklinayo ukuthi no eyami uyabona.
How?
And yes, but uma stande uthi umqhashi wakhona umama wendlu uthi no ngakulandela nebra yakhona ukubonisa ukuthi set le akusukuthi underwear yami kuphela. So the comments of people were like, even if you have abantu abakusebenzela ekhaya, you maybe avoid ukuthi bangene ku main bedroom yakho and stuff like that. A lot of people had different opinions. Others said but kuyafana i-underwear izonekwa. So
exactly. This person is in your space.
Hey, and unamaningi. So eventually uzobekwa
Yeah. There's maybe one that goes missing and you're just like
but the scary part ukuthi can they take underwear bayoyisebenza?
No, that is dangerous.
Yeah,
Are you for real?
Is dangerous.
It was scary though,
no, that is scary.
Because no baba khona ukhona ukuthi okay chaza ke mama ukuthi i-underwear ifunani akasazi ukuthi athini.
The thing is, it's tricky, yabo lento yokuba nama housekeeper. Because you are allowing a total stranger. Remember, no muntu uyapheka,
your personal space,
ingane zakho, it's yourself.
So unamandla kwenza noma yini, ukudla kwakho to
everything, like from the food you eat. Right? Everything, like they touch everything in your household. Ungekho.
And ngiqala ukuzwa ukuthi abantu abazoklinela ugcina bakhipha wena amagodo wasekhaya basale nomyeni wakho.
At times kubo uthi hayi yaza ngifuna umuntu omncane ubalekele leyo nto. Kubo umama omdala ofunela ingane yakhe. Ngoba athanda ngendlela abona upelepele aphethe ngayo uzanele. Besathi kahle kungaba ulungile lo. Yabona ulungile wamanga angena la umnomzane. Hayi sisaid.
But it was very scary. So check out the video. You'll see it's recent, man. I think it's a video or something.
Yeah.
It's recent, but it's very scary. It just made me think of Ugletu Muntu in person. That's why sometimes
it's really not easy. It's really not
and
easy.
Sometimes
we are siyasebenza these days.
But look at what time I'm here.
Exactly.
Yeah, understand. Ngo4. It's not going to work.
Oh.
And am I sabona ukuthi usekuphethe uzoqala be ne-attitude.
Asephethe ngenkwa
yabona wena mawukhuluma usakuphendula yabona ukuthi hayi.
Hey, bafethu cela nisibheke lapho ngaphandle. I know a lot of us have stories of such, Probably we need to share next week sometime.
Yeah, maybe we should tell the stories of helpers.
Anyway,
I've been the fortunate one though for over the years of nannies because like no, but I've been lucky, like honestly, like think about it. No, but think about it. You've only known one, was a Wabana 61 retired. And then there's the new one now, and she's been there for quite a while. I've been lucky. But you're growing up Ekaya. I've had my days. I've had my days. We've always had a helper, by the way. Like since I was born.
Because
so 7 nights or 7 ebusuku, so we've always needed help, kind of thing. But we've seen our days. We've had our days.
Athi ngene kamereni lakhe waqatheka enye into ephephula. Yaduma lento ithi yeyini.
Around.
mina umshini mani yazi ngathi hamba ngamabhedi ngezwa zwi
hawu
wabaleka lo mshini sathi
umshini kangani loyo
hey ha dala
Waxela zona.
danke mazethe
hayi
24.
siyabona nomshini ophezulu umshini ophezulu such an idiot ukuthi besakhuluma ngama-helper sifike nini emshinini ethi
umshini ehelpa
ama-helpers anemishini
ngathi hayi bo siseknesi wathi hayi
Hayi, naku.
vimba
guys we are taking a turn back into history asambeni